in just 60 minutes. We promise that you'll never again say the law of attraction doesn't work for me. Finally, these 11 forgotten laws have been uncovered to give you success with the law of attraction in any area of your life, 100% of the time. Welcome to the free video review of the free 11 Forgotten Laws teleseminar. Understanding the missing pieces that complete the law of attraction. 4 simple tips to get the most out of the teleseminar with Bob Proctor. 1. Print out this teleseminar executive notes so you can write down your notes as you listen to the teleseminar. 2. Review the topic outline before the teleseminar so you know what to listen out for. 3. Write down all the interesting and new learnings, ideas and inspirations you get while listening. That way you won't lose the most relevant information to you. 4. Think of the desires you want to manifest for 2013 and how you can quickly implement the secrets revealed in the teleseminar. To get access to the free teleseminar for the 11 Forgotten Laws, register for free with the link below the video.